This magnificent goat eating our hay is a girgentano, originating in Agrigento in Sicily, hence the name Girgentano of Agrigento. It's a rare breed of goat. They're trying to bring them back. They were almost in danger of not extinction but disappearing. The number is very limited. This Girgentano is the proud father of 6 little kids born here over the past couple weeks. You see a couple right down here. And there are 6 kids. We have over 20 goats, some of them heading off with their mothers over there. Mothers are now nursing them, of course, giving them their milk. And I think we've got a little milking going on right here for us. And that little sweetie is maybe waiting to get something to drink. And Pino will not be milking the goats to make our goat's milk cheese, the caprino, probably until the end of May, maybe June. So in the meantime, the mothers will be giving the milk to their little ones. Magnificent day in the Umbrian countryside. Very late February. There's another one of the little kids coming out with his mummy. We see one over here as well. Romping around, having a good time. While proud father simply munches his way through a good bunch of our hay. And here we are at our goat pen, not far from our farmhouse, which is right there. Solar panel there. And here's the hay, which they've been munching. Magnificent, beautiful day here in the Umbria countryside. Come and visit soon. Enjoy some of our caprino cheese. And thank you, Mr. Goat, for being the father of the little ones. The magnificent twisted horns, characteristic of the Girgentano goat. What a prize you are.